Hi, it's Grace from the Angels of Grace, and I thought I'd share with you a kit that I call the New Beginners Kit. Reason being is some of us want to start working with crystals, or you might know of someone who wants to start working with crystals, but not sure what crystals to start with. The first one that I have is the rose quartz. So rose quartz is a great one for love, all about internal love. You know, be gentle with yourself. It's a fantastic healing. It's very powerful healing crystal, but I also use it for a physical healing as well. What I mean by that is an example, if you've got a headache, I would pop it on my forehead, a small piece of course, or I'd carry it with me. Another one that I have in here is the black obsidian. Black obsidian is known for the crystal that absorbs all that negative energy and protects you all the time. So I always highly recommend this one to have in your home, you can carry it with you, or anywhere that you feel that you need to have the crystal nearby. But it's also a great crystal if you're meditating, to have one with you. You can hold it in your hand while you meditate. It helps you ground. Another one that I have is citrine. Citrine is known as the spiritual self-healing crystal and cleanser, as well as regenerating. So again, all these crystals are really good because they've got physical healing powers, as well as just the power of the crystal. The other one that I have is amethyst, known as a crystal for calmness, relaxation. It's like a natural tranquilizer. A lot of people who are feeling anxious or stressed have amethyst, but I also used amethyst for a very long time when I was diagnosed with cancer. So it's very good to carry with you. Another one that I have is the clear quartz. Now the clear quartz is known as the master healer, but it actually amplifies energy and intention. So these are the crystals that I thought would be beneficial for a first kit. And all of these also come in love hearts as well as tumbled. So if you feel like you need to carry it with you, but it's too rough to carry like that, you can always get them in the tumbled. So I thought I'd share this kit before I send it off to the customer. So if you have any questions in regards to this or any concerns, please feel free to reach out. More than happy to help you. All of these will be on sale on my online store, so you can click on the link and go straight there. So thank you, and may you find your angel. Thanks.